And now we can go through each shot and let's compare it to our still and see just at a glance if it makes sense, if it matches. I feel like this shot that we're working on, maybe we can take the lift down a little bit and we could probably make it a little brighter, boost up the gain. And you can see on our parade, this little part right here where it's split, you can see it's a little bit brighter on the right side and a little bit darker on the left side. So you can actually compare the levels of the still versus the real shot. And so I'll just maybe punch up my gain a little bit just to be a little bit closer to those higher levels. And that's probably looking okay for now. So let's move on. It's good to just kind of move quickly during this step. You don't want to get too obsessed with one shot. You'll just be there all day. So again, we're just going to compare this, see what it's like. Again, I'll probably bring the lift down a little bit, maybe the gain up just a touch. I feel like maybe the gamma could go down a little bit just so it looks a little bit richer. And again, next shot, same thing, looks like we have lifted shadows. So I'll bring down the lift a little, and that might depend on what the shot does, because sometimes you'll have a flare at the beginning of the shot and then it'll darken up, and you want to adjust it for what's happening during most of the shot. So right now it's a little bit too dark. So I'm gonna boost that lift back up again to kind of match the darkest parts in our parade with our other shot. And that's looking pretty good. She's in the shade, so she's not gonna look quite as vibrant.